There you go.
What if we stayed with you, like, on a Tuesday night? Like, next Tuesday.
Next Tuesday?
Yeah.
You promise?
Because I don't work until, like, 3 on Wednesday, so then I can come see you.
Well, I'd be taking you back at, like, 8 in the morning.
Oh, you have class?
Yes.
See, we stay with you next Tuesday.
Get off this time.
And I have class at 1 anyway, so we would have to be back.
That's perfect. Yay. Calm Red?
Yay, Tuesday.
Not
Everybody
murderous
happy.
Red? Yes.
Ran happy, ran not killed it.
Yes. Red happy.
Okay.
Okay. Red happy.
I'm still kind of scared right now.
I'm scared too.
Shundi?
She looks like such a sweet person, doesn't she?
Yeah.
Until she laughs. We're good right up until you laugh. I'll push you off the bed.
I'm
Just
scared.
kidding.
What's she doing?
She's filming us.
She's zooming in on our faces.
Ow, cramp in my
Oh my
cheek.
god.
It's because smiling's not
cut.
natural for you.
She's zooming in on faces.
Toes. Oh my god. Is that a ninja face? Are you okay? You look constipated.
No. Stop that. Stop that. Stop. Stop.
What's going on with you? Are you talking to your eyes?
Stop.
Or Bree?
Breathe.
Oh.
You filming her?
Are you okay?
I do not consent.
I don't think you had a choice.
You consented when you started telling me to upload things to YouTube.